Okay folks, today we're going to be going through how-to on all the features on a Buick Encore with Intellilink. The 2015 Buick Encore is what we're using today. Pretty much windows, everything's over here. Everything that controls the screen up here is used by this button down here. See, change the radio, whatever you want to do. The everything's pretty self-explanatory. Under here is where your auxiliary and the USB is to hook up to the Intellilink. And also your OnStar is right up here. Click OnStar if you want to subscribe to that service. Next thing, probably the most common thing, is how you hook up your phone. We're just going to do it this way by the speaker.
Please say a command.
Bluetooth.
Please say a phone command, or say help.
Connect Bluetooth.
Did you say connect? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
Please search for Bluetooth devices on your phone, select your vehicle, confirm, or enter the PIN number provided on the screen.
Okay, now once it does that, you want to go, I'm using an iPhone, so we're going to go down through here and hit our Bluetooth. And see right there, Buick Encore. We're going to click on that. And then once we do this, we just need to match this number on our phone to this number on the screen. And then just hit pair. Okay, now once it does,
successfully paired with unknown.
Okay, now you can allow your contacts, favorite sync. You know, I recommend doing that, especially if you're going to be using it quite a bit. We're not going to today, just because we're just showing how to hook up. That's pretty much it, folks. Once you do that, you can use the buttons. I'm sorry, on the steering wheel, you know, to mute. Like if you get a phone call come in, they go completely hands-free while you're driving down the road. The voice assistant, you know, the more you use it, the more you get used to it, and the easier it is. Right here on your screen, if you want to hit that home button, now you can go down through here and you can see like USB. Now of course that's you know, it's gray right now. That's because there's nothing plugged up, just like the Bluetooth would be gray right now if we didn't have a phone hooked up. CDs the same way. And then you kind of go through your features right here, just kind of go down through there, hit next. Then you see your auxiliary, you got the Pandora radio, all your settings, do your fuel, upload pictures, you know, just whatever you want to do. But it all works from this button right here. And that's pretty much it, folks. If I missed anything, just give us a call, 731-968-2812, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.